Brand new. Brand new. Brand new.
Alright, I just have a few things to say. First off, Raggy, I'm sorry that I got your house in Minecraft. Sorry that I burnt it. Didn't deserve that mold. I'm sorry that I killed your dog and got you in Minecraft too. That was not cool of me. Y'all did not deserve that. So I just want to say I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry, Mole. I'm sorry I got you in cold blood. You see, he's not talking, so I don't know what to say. No, he's just kind of shaking his head like this. That doesn't really tell me anything. You were going to forgive me, yes? Huh? Alright, there we go, Silly, we got the apology. Jesus, we're taking echoes.
Well, by the way, a good microwave. I sold your microwave to Chinese and do they use it for stupid memes. I hope you like that. Yeah. So Chinese but gonna use stupid microwaves for them memes. Communist. So I don't regret make that. You're welcome.